look at that. The duct tape, when that pulled off, it pulled the coating right off the roof. This happened back in Pennsylvania. This broke and it was flapping, so I duct taped it shut. Duct tape finally came loose, so I'm going to duct tape it shut again until I can get somewhere to fix it. Okay, there we have it. I'm seeing some reasons for concern here on the roof. Hopefully this thing holds up a bit longer. You can see it's just, the roof's cracking and it really needs another coat. Needs a new roof, but yeah, it is what it is. I wanna share your awesome love. Four Corners Monument. So it is not free to get into Four Corners. I was not aware of that. But we're here now, so we paid the fee to get in. Tell you what would be really cool though.
It's like a hot
What
dog.
if we had Mom make supper and then she can yell for supper to tell us it's ready. And then we could say that we heard her yell in 4 states she yelled so loud for supper.
That sounds like a terrible plan. That sounds great.
So Hannah, how does it feel to be in 4 places at once for the first time in your life?
Amazing. Once in a lifetime experience, really.
So right there, I'm guessing, is the Four Corners. We're in Utah, Mommy's in Arizona. You see that? Isn't that crazy?
I'm between both of them.
Yeah. Here, let me hold on to you. You might blow away. Alright, let's go check them out.
So, at Four Corners, they have little concession stand things to get food and snow cones, and we